Taj Fisherman's Cove, Chennai. I must say this was one of the most green resort I have seen, that too in Chennai. Though we visited in the month of May, which is generally very hot, we were lucky. You can see the weather was so nice as it was raining, and that made the entire atmosphere very pleasant. We stayed in deluxe room which was well equipped, good for up to 3 adults, and if you are on the ground floor you will have access to the garden directly. So it's your choice, ground floor or first floor. I liked the ground floor one better. Icing on the cake is the connected beach right across the property. Very beautiful, 100% clean, and most importantly, you will hardly see outsiders coming there. There are security folks and other folks like lifeguard always available near the beach, which is again an added advantage. One can visit the beach both during morning as well as evening. The good part is they have a station where they'll be serving you the detox water, the plain water, and some ready snacks. But that's good enough. Apart from that, they do have a lot of sports available, right from kite flying to cricket, volleyball, and other sand sculpture related activities. So if you are just alone or with your wife or with your kids, there's sure to have some fun there. Isn't it wonderful that soon after the beach bath you can dip yourself directly into the pool? And surprisingly, pool was just like jacuzzi, quite hot because of the day's weather, and hence it was lot pleasant. And here you see next morning's view. The property is so green that you can see peacocks and many more birds roaming around. We had a stroll early in the morning near the beach and spent some time collecting those shells as a memory. I like this sport very much. I'm not sure what it is called, but it looks like a big version of snooker. You can play it right on the ground, so very enjoyable.
Here is another boy.
The area is so big that you can ride bicycles, which is available freely there. The best part was I and Anuj rode the tandem bike. I think for me it was a first time experience. It looks very easy, but take my word, it was very difficult to start. But once you start, then it is a breeze. One evening we had fun with flying the kites. Most easiest way to fly kite here because of plenty of हवा. बहुत मज़ा आया काइट उड़ाकर. We had all the meals part of our package. Specifically on the weekend, the food is excellent. The other days also, the food was very, very good. Service and hospitality was top notch. So I do recommend. With that, our tour comes to an end.